Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Audition Loudness Metering for YouTube audio compliance, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Audition on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing audio file. Go to the window menu in the top toolbar. Locate and select Loudness Meter from the drop-down options. The Loudness Meter panel should now appear on your screen. If it's not visible, make sure to check under the window menu again. Next, in the Loudness Meter panel, click on the Settings icon. Choose Loudness Settings to access the configuration options. In the Loudness Settings dialog box, select the appropriate preset for YouTube recommends using the ITU BS.1770-3 standard. Ensure the measurement type is set to integrated. Adjust the target loudness level to -14 LUFS for optimal compliance. Confirm the true peak is set to -1 dBTP or lower. Click OK to save your settings and close the dialog box. Now, play your audio track while monitoring the loudness meter. Observe the real-time readings on the meter. Adjust the track's volume as needed to reach the recommended levels. If necessary, apply effects like compression or limiting to achieve desired loudness. Once your audio meets the target loudness, stop playback. Navigate to the multi-track view if you're working within a multi-track session. Export your final audio by going to the File menu and selecting Export. Choose Multi-Track Mixdown and then Entire Session. Select your desired output format suitable for YouTube. In the export settings, ensure the sample rate and bit depth match YouTube requirements. Review your file destination and click OK to start the export process. Upon completion, check the exported file with the loudness meter to confirm compliance. Your audio is now ready for upload to YouTube, maintaining loudness standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.